Alright, so this is not a normal video, this is an announcement video. I just wanted to announce a couple of little things. First off, I'm going to be making more content on this channel. This channel has been a blessing to me through the years, and it's been a really positive thing to my life, and I really like it. I really appreciate your guys' support, and the comments, the likes, the shares. It's the enormous amount of views that I've gotten over the years is just amazing, and that we're so close to 1 million subscribers is just nuts. Now, with that said, I do have a few other channels on YouTube, and I have a little issue that one of the channels, YouTube seems to think that we steal content and stitch it together and put it on YouTube, but that's not what we do. I have a team of people that works on creating these hack videos, and we put them together and we put them on this channel, but YouTube just seems to have decided that no, we shouldn't be doing that, and they demonetize the whole channel, and it's literally like dying. It's losing views like there's no tomorrow. And this is a little bit of a problem because it is a little bit of a business. You know, there's a huge amount of resources that goes into making videos, just like the food, the ingredients, the props, the editing, the filming, the manpower. And now I've made a bunch of videos for that channel, but there's just, you know, there's no income from there, so we need to deploy these videos somewhere. Now I'm gonna put one of them here and see how it goes. I don't want to put them all on how to make sushi because they're life hacks and they don't really fit with this channel, although I have done hack videos in the past. But yeah, so I'm gonna put one on because I really like this one, and I feel like it needs to see the day of light, and like people need to see it because it's a beautiful video. It's very nice. It's experiments and fire, and like it's interesting. So I'm gonna place it on this channel, and we're gonna see how it goes. It's gonna be released about 3 hours after this video releases, but you can go see it right now by clicking in the link in the description or in the top right corner of your screen. And also at the end of this video, there'll be a little thing that you can click. But yeah, I just wanted to give a little warning because it's not a thing that fits with the rest of the channel theme. So that's basically what this video is for. And also to announce that I'm gonna make more videos, okay? So that's it. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoy it. And if you did like the experiments video that's gonna come soon to this channel, then leave a comment, let me know, hit that like button. And yeah, there won't be too many of these, but you know, I might have to unload some of those videos because we wasted so much time and resources making them. It's just a shame to like put them on a channel that's just getting killed. So yeah, I hope you understand. Thank you very much. Goodbye.